Welcome to the set of Level 3 listening activities. The first activity we're going to do has to do with chords that we've been working on. I'm going to play a chord pattern for you that's going to be made up of the 3 different chords in C major. The 1 chord, which sounds like this. The 4 chord, which sounds like this. So it has a real open sound to it. Or the 5-7 chord, which sounds like this. You'll notice it has sort of an unfinished sound to the 5-7 chord, as though it should be leading back into the 1 chord to have a real complete finished sound. So I'm going to play a chord pattern made up of those 3 different chords. I want you to point to the chord pattern that I play. Which chord pattern do you hear? If you pointed to the first pattern, then you're correct. Let's try another one. Which chord pattern do you hear? If you pointed to the second pattern, then you're correct. Which chord pattern do you hear? If you pointed to the top chord pattern, then you're correct. In our next set of listening activities, I'm going to play a passage of music for you, and I want you to point to the word that you hear in the musical passage. So for example, if I'm playing allegro, which means fast and lively, you'll point to allegro. If I'm playing moderato, which means in the middle, not too fast, not too slow, then you'll point to moderato. If the passage that I play has a ritardando, which means that it gradually slows down, then you're going to point to the word ritardando. Here's the first passage of music. Did you hear music that was allegro, moderato, or ritardando? If you pointed to allegro, then you're correct. That passage of music was fast and lively. This next passage of music will include music that is either ritardando, gradually slowing down, or you might hear a fermata, which means that you'll hear a note that's held a little bit longer. Or you might hear it played at moderato tempo, which means it's not too fast or not too slow. Here's the passage of music. Did you hear ritardando, fermata, or moderato? If you pointed to the ritardando, then you're correct. I gradually slowed down in the middle of the music. Let's try one more. This passage of music is either going to be played at an andante tempo, which means walking speed, allegro, which is fast and lively, or you'll hear fermata, which means I'm going to hold one of the notes a little bit longer. Here's the music. Which did you hear? If you circled andante, then you're correct. That passage of music was played at walking speed. Nice work with this first set of listening activities.